Good morning, dear children. Are you all ready for today's class? I hope you all are completing your notes. Students, I have already mentioned in PDF whether you have to do the notes in book or in copy. So kindly notice that and complete your notes. Okay, now let's start our today's class. Get ready with your maths book. Kindly open page number 26. Today we are going to start a new chapter. Chapter 4, Simple Addition and Subtraction. Addition and subtraction, you are very well known about these terms. Addition, addition of two numbers. Subtraction, subtraction of given numbers. Okay. Now we are going to see in this chapter simple addition and simple subtraction. Okay. Now first let us go over things you know about addition. Okay, here some facts are given there about addition that you have to keep in mind. The first one is the sum of numbers in any order is the same. Means the sum of numbers, if you are changing the order of given number, the sum will be always same. As you can see here, 5 plus this we will do. See, if you will do 2 plus 3 plus 2. Okay, now 2 plus 3 it's 5, 5 plus 2 it's 7. If you will change this order, suppose if you are changing 3 plus 2 plus 2, then 3 plus 2 5, again 5 plus 2 7. That means if you are changing the sum of numbers in any order, the answer will be always same, 7 7. Okay, so this is the first addition fact. Second is number plus 0 equal to same number. Whenever you are adding 0 to any number, the answer will be the same number. As you can see here, 6 plus 0 equal to 6. That means whenever you are adding 0 to any number, whether it is small number or big number, the answer will be always the same number. Okay. So here comes addition of simple number. As you can see here, single digit additions are given there. 3 plus 6, 9, 6 plus 5, 11. As you can see, 3 plus 6. Students, always move from big number to small number, or you can add this small number to the big number. As it is 6. Okay, now start count forward from 6 to and add 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the answer is 9. 6 plus 5. Again 6 is the big number, so add this small number to the 6 and count forward from 6. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So your answer is 11. So in this way, this is here, it's given addition of single digit number. Okay. Now let's move to expand and add. Now here we have to expand the given number, then we have to add them. So let's do exercise 4B. Okay. Exercise 4B. Let's do the first one. It's 23 plus 74. 23 plus 74. Now students, as I told, if there are two digits, okay, if there are two digits, that means how many place values should be there? There should be two place values. They are ones and tens. Okay, always start from the right side, ones and tens. Now it's 23 plus 74. Now we have to expand these numbers first. Okay, so let us expand 23. 23, 3 is in ones place and 2 is in tens place. That means 2, 20 plus 3 ones. Put this plus sign here. 74. 4 is in ones place and 7 is in tens place. That means 7 tens. That is 70 plus 4. Okay. Now take this tens one side. That is 20 plus 70 and the remaining ones on the other side. 3 plus 4. Now you can add 20 plus 70. It's 70, 80, 90. Plus 3 plus 4. It's 7. Now add this both number 97. So this is your answer. Okay. Next is 251 plus 134. Okay, now 251 plus 134. Now as you can see here students, how many digits are there? 3 digits are there. That means 3 place values should be there. Ones, tens and 100. Ones, tens and 100. So 251 plus 134. Now you have to first expand the given number. So let us expand 251. 2 is in 100 place, that means 200, plus 5 is in tens place, that means 510, that is 50, and 1 is in ones place, that means 1. Now put this plus sign here. 1 is in 100 place, that means 100, plus 3 is in tens place, that means 3 tens means 30, and 4 is in ones place, that means 4 ones, 4. Okay. Now we got 200, tens and ones. Now take the 100 on one side, that is 200 and this 100. So 200 plus 100. Take the tens on one side, 50 plus 30, and the ones on the other side, 1 plus 4. Okay. Now add the hundreds. 200 plus 100, that is 300, plus 50 plus, now add the tens, that is 50 and 30. So 50 plus 30, 50 plus 30. Now 0 plus 0 has nothing is there to be added, so 0. Now 5 plus 3, as I told, move from big number to small number. Start the count forward from 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer is 8. So 80 plus 1 plus 4, it's 5. Now add this all three numbers. 300 plus 80 plus 5. 0 plus 0 plus 5. 0 plus 8, 3. So 385. This is your answer. So in this way, first you have to expand the given number, then you have to add those numbers. Let's do one more. 460 plus 37. Okay, 460 plus 37. Now again, as you can see here, 3 digits are there. That means 3 place value, ones, tens and 100. Now here only 2 digits are there. That means how many place value? 2 place value, ones and tens. Okay. So let us expand the number. 4 is in 100 place. That means 400, plus 6 is in tens place. That means 6 10, 60. And 0 is in ones place. So 0. Now put this plus sign. Now here 3 is in tens place. That means 310 or 30. Plus 7 is in ones place, that is 7. Okay. Now as 100 is only 1, as you can see, only 100 we are having, 400, no other 100 is there. So just take this 400 one side. Now take the tens place, that is 60 and 30. So 60 plus 30 plus 1, 0 plus 7. Okay. Now add the numbers. 400 plus, add this tens, 60 plus 30, that is 90, plus 0 plus 7, that is 7. Whenever you are adding 0 to any number, the answer is always the same number. Okay, now add these three numbers. 400 plus 97. 0 plus 0 plus 7, 7. 0 plus 9, 9. 4 single, 497. So here is the answer. So students, in this way you have to expand the given number, then you have to add the numbers. Okay. Now here also comes the addition of 2-digit number. Okay, let's do 32 plus 46. Okay, now let us arrange them. As you can see here, 2 place values are there. That means 2 digits are there. That means 2 place value, ones and tens. So ones and tens. 32, 2 here and 3 here. 4, 6. 4 is in tens place and 6 is in ones place. Let us add. Always start from the right side. That is ones place. So let us add the numbers in ones place. They are 6 and 2. 6. So start from 6 and add 2. 6, 7, 8. 4, 3. 4 plus 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. In this way you have to do the addition. 145 plus 23. Okay. Again, now you can see here 3 digits and here 2 digits. That means here 3 place values and here 2 place values. Okay, let's arrange them. Ones, tens and 100. Now 1 is in 100 place, 4 is in tens place and 5 is in ones place. Now let's arrange here. 2 is in tens place, 3 is in ones place. Okay, now let us add 5 plus 3, again 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 plus 2, 4, 5, 6. 1, nothing is there to add, so the number will be taken the same number as answer. So 168 is the answer. So friends, in this way you have to do the additions. Okay, here all it's addition of simple addition it's there. So this you have to do by yourself. Okay, in book itself you have to do. Let's do one more. Let's take 213 plus 546. Okay, now let's start from the ones place. So ones place, which are the numbers 6 and 3 or 3 or 6. So let us start from big number to small number. Let's add this small number to the big number or count forward from 6. So 6, 7, 8, 9. So here comes 9. 4 plus 1, it's 5. 5 plus 2, 6, 7. So here is the answer. So in this way you have to add. Okay. 648 plus 141. Now here also 8 plus 1, it's 9. 4 plus 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 6 plus 1, 7. So 789. Okay. 458 plus 200. Now, as we have studied in the chapter starting itself, that whenever you are adding 0 to any number, you will get the same number as answer. Okay. So 8 plus 0, it's 8. 5 plus 0, it's 5. 4 plus 2, 4, 5, 6. So 658 is the answer. Okay, students. So in this way you have to do this all additions. See here. This all are additions. Let's do the addition of 4-digit number. Okay, addition of 4-digit number. Now here comes addition of 4-digit number. Let's do the first one. 4,352 plus 247. As you can see here 4 digits are there and here only 3 digits are there. That means here 4 place values, ones, tens, 100 and 1000. Here ones, tens and 100. Now let us start from ones place. Ones place, which are the number 2 and 7. And 7 is the big number. So let us add 2 to this 7. 7, 8, 9. 5 plus 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 plus 2, it's 5 and nothing is there to add in 4. So 4 will be taken as the answer. Okay. 5,521 plus 3,243. 3 plus 1, it's 4. 4 plus 2, 4, 5, 6. 5 plus 2, 5, 6, 7. 5 plus 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Students, when you will move from big to small number, means if you will do the count forward from big number, the addition will be more fast and more easy for you. Okay. Let us take one more. 3,051 plus 6,948. Okay. Now 8 plus 1, 8, 9. 5 plus 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 0 plus 9, it's 9. 6 plus 3, it's 9. So this is your answer. Okay. This all are addition of 4-digit number. Okay. Let's do one more. Let us do addition in this one. Oh. Page number 33. Okay, page number 33. 6,723 plus 1,142 plus 1,031. Okay, let us arrange them in column. 6,723, 1,142, 1,031. Okay, let us ones, tens, hundred and thousand. Now let us start from ones place. Okay, what are the numbers on ones place? 3, 2 and 1. So let us add 3 plus 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 1, 6. Now what are the number on tens place? 2, 4 and 3. So 4 plus 2, 4, 5, 6 plus 3, 7, 8, 9. What are the number on hundreds place? 7, 1 and 0. So 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 0, it's 8. Now what are the numbers on thousands place? 6, 1 and 1. So 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 1, 8. So this is your answer. Okay. Let us do one more. 5,632 plus 2,101 plus 1,022. Okay, let us arrange them. 5,682 plus 2,101 plus 1,022. Okay, now let us put the place value ones, tens, hundred and thousand. Okay, now which are the number? Always start from the ones place. Now which are the numbers on ones place? It's 2, 1 and 2. So 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 4, 5. So here is the answer. Which are the numbers on tens place? 8, 0 and 2. Now 8 plus 0, it's 8 plus 0, 8. As nothing is there to add. So 8 plus 0, 8. 8 plus 2, it's 10. Okay, 8, 9 and 10. Wait, 5 is 300. It's not 82. It's 32. 3. So 3 plus 0, 3 plus 0, 3 plus 2, it's 5. 6 plus 1, which are the numbers on hundreds place? 6, 1 and 0. So 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 0, 7. Now which are the number in thousands place? 5, 2 and 1. So 5 plus 2, 5, 6, 7 plus 1, 8. So this is the answer. Okay students, so it's very easy. In this way you have to do the additions. Okay, carefully you have to do. It's very simple addition. Okay, this all you have to do in your book itself. Now here comes the word problem. Okay, now word problem we will do with statement. Okay, so kindly open page number 34. I am going to read the first one. Pay attention students. Now I will teach you to make the statements. Okay. A toy shop has 150 cars and 101 trains. It has 45 more dolls than the number of cars and trains together. How many dolls does the shop have? Okay, now here let us find out. We have to find out how many dolls does the shop have. So for this, let us find out the number of cars first. It's exercise 4D. So number of cars, it's 150. Okay, and number of trains, it's 101. Now let us total this first. Put the plus sign. 0 plus 1, it's 1. 5 plus 0, it's 5. 1 plus 1, 2. Okay, now this is the total number of students, NO dot. Okay, now NO dot, this is the short form of number. Okay, NO O and a small dot, it denotes the short form of number. Okay. The total number of cars and trains, it's 251. Okay. Now number of dolls, that is 45. Now let us add 5 plus 1, it's 6. 5 plus 4, 9 and 2. That means your answer is 296 dolls the shop had. Okay. So in this way you have to make the statement and you have to solve the word problem. Okay. Now let's move to second one. For the first show of a circus, 473 tickets were sold. For the second show, 525 tickets were sold. What was the total number of tickets sold? Okay, now here the number of tickets sold for first show. Okay, what was that? It is 473. Okay, now number of tickets sold for second show, that was 525. Okay, now what we have to find out? We have to find out the total number of tickets sold. For this, what we have to do? We have to add this both given numbers. So 5 plus 3, it's 8. 7 plus 2, 8, 9 and 5 plus 4, it's 9. Okay, that means your answer is total 998 tickets were sold. Okay students, so in this way you have to do. Now here comes the next. A cobbler mended 23 shoes on Monday, 34 shoes on Tuesday and 22 shoes on Wednesday. How many shoes did he mend in all? Now we have to find out total. That means for total what you have to do? You have to add the given numbers. Okay. So let's do question number 3. Number of shoes mended on Monday, that is 23. Number of shoes mended on Tuesday, that is 34. Number N or small dot, as I told, it's the short form of number. Number of shoes mended on Wednesday. Okay, that is 22. Now we have to add this all together. Okay, so number, which are the numbers on ones place? 3, 4 and 2. So let's add 3 and 4. 4 is the big number. Let's start from 4. 4, 5, 6, 7 plus 2, 8, 9. Now number on tens place, 2, 3 and 2. So 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. So your answer is 79 shoes in all. Okay. So in this way, with proper statement, you have to solve the word problems. Okay. Now here comes question number 4. Pay attention, I am reading. Meenakshi is 7 years old. Her brother is 11 years old. Their mother's age is 21 years more than the sum of their age. How old is their mother? Now here we have to find out the their mother's age. For this, what we have to do? First we have to find out the sum of Meenakshi and her brother's age. Okay, so let's start. Meenakshi's age, it's there 7 years. Okay, and her brother's age, it's 11 years. Okay, now 7 plus 1, it's 8 and 18. That means Mother's age is given there 21. Okay, and sum of their age, that means sum of Meenakshi and her brother's age, it's 18. Now add this both number. 8 plus 1, it's 9. 2 plus 1, 3. 39. That means your answer is, their mother's age is 39 years. Okay, so students, in this way we have completed the word problems with proper statement. This notes I will provide you. This you have to do in your copy. Word problem you have to do in your copy. Rest all addition. Okay, take this as homework. Take this as all homework. This all additions you have to do by your own self, in your book itself. Okay, this all additions do in your book, and you have to only do more practice. You will do, your additions will be more fast and quick. Okay, this is all your homework. This all additions are your homework. Okay, till exercise 4D. That's all for today's class. Thank you and take care.